It's the best part.
What's going on, everybody? It's Combs, and today on Adventures with yours truly, we are back after my long hiatus to play some more Castle Crashers with your boy Travis. Say hi.
Hello.
So yeah, like I said, it's been a while. I really won't go into that because it'll just make me cry. But that's besides the point.
It's
What were you saying?
life happens. It's okay.
Yes. So, yeah. Needless to say, don't buy anything from Elgato. Unless Elgato wants to sponsor me, then I'll buy all their stuff. Anyway, I'm not petty. Yeah. Anyway, so Castle Crashers. Yeah, we haven't done this in a while. We left off here at the Temple of Floodedness.
Yeah, we beat up some aliens in a ship, got out, beat up some dudes in a sandcastle, played a game of volleyball, and then we were on our way.
Right on. And yeah, here we are. So, let's see what we got.
Wait. Yeah. Wait. We don't have the horn yet?
Apparently we don't.
I
I thought we got that.
thought we... where's it at? Oh, I'm dumb. Oh, so I'm not dumb. That wasn't actually the start. Welcome to the start of Adventures with Combs and Friend. We're actually at the Marsh. We had you fooled the entire time. Get off of him, Skelly Man.
Well, as you can
It's
tell,
really-
we're professionals.
At not having any idea what's going on. Well, it's not our fault that the door requires you to go up to it before it tells you it can't go in. You can't go in.
Exactly.
Fun fact, the Skelly Bros we're beating up right now, favorite character in the game. Hands down.
I didn't know you could play as the Skelly Rose. That guy has a fishing rod.
Oh yeah, is the peasant, I believe is what that one is called.
Dude is literally just like, you know what? I'm gonna beat this guy and then go catch a largemouth.
Like, I want to say it's not even good. It's my favorite part, but I can't remember.
Well, I mean, you know, you are trying to beat somebody to death with a fishing rod. I mean...
Man, I don't know, dude. If you got some momentum on that thing and slap somebody in the back of the neck with the skinny part, and it just flexed and they had to take the full impact of it, that would not be great.
That is true, because, you know, it's one of those things where it's like the little small deal.
Just use my last potion. Probably gonna die. It's gonna be awesome. What do you do? I don't remember. Do you have that one yet?
It's a jackalope. I mean, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, we're gonna go and call it a jackalope. Anyway, I want my little, you know, gremlin or whatever
That one
it is.
is the troll, if I remember correctly.
Oh look, I'm the necromancer. I'm gonna summon skeletons. Oh boy.
You had to go and make fun of him, didn't you?
Yeah.
Now look at it.
Yeah. And I made skeleroids. Skeleroids.
You're sitting there like, man, I'm gonna die.
Don't do it. You can think about it, but don't do it.
I will try not to, but I've been at like half health this entire game.
Well, first health thing we see, I'll make sure that you snag it.
Ah, it's cool.
Because I have some potions. I don't think I can give those to you, though.
No, unfortunately. Oh, the snaky dudes? I always forget that magic can't hit them after they fall down.
Yep. I am literally going to step on all the snakes.
Oh, we're stepping on a snake right now.
Yeah. I specifically requested the opposite of this. So, I'm trying to figure out with the whole, like, moth meme thing. What's going on? Like, what that, like... I can't decide if that's funny or not. Have you seen it?
I'm not gonna lie, I was slightly distracted, so you're gonna have to repeat the name of the meme.
The moth meme. You know, the one that's like...
See, okay, yeah, so I kind of ran into it all of a sudden on Facebook, and I'm like, what is this? And I'm like, wait, is this me seeing the light? Oh yeah, I glitched it again. Darn it. It just came out of kind of nowhere, and I haven't seen it since like yesterday.
Yeah,
And I'm like, that's kind of funny actually, because moth into a flame kind of deal.
yeah,
So it's kind of canon, so I can get behind that part. But
yeah. I was just like, how, like I know the internet has way too much time on its hands.
oh,
Hence why you're
collectively,
watching my
absolutely.
videos. So I understand that, but I'm like, man, we're making memes out of moths.
At the same time, I saw one where Oprah Winfrey was like, "You get a light, you get a light, everybody gets a light," and then the crowd was moths, and I kind of died. It was cool.
That one was pretty good. I
Yeah,
like that
that one
one.
I liked quite a bit.
And then I've always been a fan of the heavy breathing memes.
Hmm.
And they had one where it was like it showed the Motel 6 thing, and it was like, "We'll leave the light on for you," and it showed a moth and it said heavy breathing.
Oh man, I saw one that would have been in like I don't know, back in like 17, like 76, and it was like when you find out they have oil lamps. It was a dude in, it was a moth in like modern day U.S. Army contact gear, and it was like heavy breathing intensifies, and I was like, yes.
Yeah, he had like a freaking M16 strapped to himself. I saw that one too.
Yeah,
So that
that
was pretty
cracked
good.
me up quite a bit, but
Oh man, that was pretty good. But dude, the other one I can't figure out if I'm on board. If Gusta or no Gusta is Bowsette.
as of today, I'm officially on board with it.
You're on board with it?
Uh, it was one of those things. So Twitter is the most glorious of social networking platforms, right? Because it's this
Good.
amazing thing that doesn't really care what you do, unless you like offend people or something other random thing that people get deleted for.
Right.
I follow a bunch of random, well, some kind of random and some not kind of random cosplayers,
Uh-huh.
and that's all it's been.
Bowsette.
Oh yes, and at first I was kind of conflicted, and then I was just like, I saw someone do like a classy one,
Oh.
even if it was still lewd, and I was like, oh yeah, that kind I like, not the rest of the kind that I was getting. But
Right.
yeah, and then I feel dumb, right? Oh, I keep trying to hit the peasant, but I come in on it late because they're already boozette, if that is the correct enunciation of that term,
Yes.
and all the other nonsense. But
Yeah, because see that's the thing. Like I found out about Bowsette, through for my
friend,
viewers out there, for a mutual friend of ours, and I was just like, I didn't get what it was. I just thought somebody made sexy Bowser, and I'm like, come on. And then like I read the lore behind it, and I'm like,
wait a minute. Even if that was what it was, that's K. This is America. It's fine. This is 2018. It's fine.
okay, childish Gambino, rope it in. We know it's America.
Gotta remind everybody.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I know. But no, I mean, and then I think it's hilarious how it's like, dude, it's like blowing up in Japan. Like, it is literally exploding in Japan.
The game just freeze. Oh, okay. I mean, that part kind of makes sense, though.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna die.
Don't do it.
The king of the Koopas, that's where he's from.
Okay.
I mean, not really, but, I mean, Japan created Mario, so I did the thing I just said I was going to do. I died.
Oh, Lord. You know what I haven't been doing this whole time? Magic.
Yeah. I like how you have all the time in the world and don't do the fast revive. You're a jerk.
Well...
Come get these cherries, dog. I don't know, man. Japan's just down for a lot of whatever, man. If you can grab onto it, ride the wave, and then be done with it when you're done with it, they're all about it.
Faux show. I mean, here's the thing. If I had to... Because I think I shared that picture today of, like, all of the... Like, the ants together. We'll call them the ants.
Should be a new band. It'd be great.
That would be glorious. I think I gotta go with Boozette on this one.
I think that's fair. Especially if done right.
Yeah.
Like, right on. But,
Uh,
you did the thing I just did.
I did the thing.
Yeah. I think I gotta stay old school, man. I mean... Hold on. resuscitation intensifies.
Resuscitation, no breathing.
Wait, that's exactly what I wanted you to do. I don't know. I still dig the Bowsette thing.
Yeah.
I'm okay with it.
Is this the corn boss? It's the corn boss.
The
Oh
best
my
boss.
god. Yay, corn boss.
It's upsetting that they only regenerate a single HP. By the way, I'm gonna get Shrek by this dude. Because I died. Told you.
I'm just gonna get you back up as quick as I can because I didn't know. There. I like the fact that he hisses when he pops. He's like,
It is kind of great.
just giant corn. Just
Like, oh, McDonald didn't tell me this guy existed.
Old McDonald, holy sh!
So legitimate question though, right? So do all the jokes we make about this automatically become corny?
Oh, Lord.
I'm a terrible person, and this is why.
No, that was the right... Dude, that's what this show is all about. Are you kidding me? I literally have an episode of the Gauntlet series where it says terrible jokes and other things.
Yeah, I watched that one.
That was literally the title. I mean, that's all this show is. It's literally just terrible jokes and stories.
And me getting 3-shot by everything.
Oh, there's that.
Well, when I decide to show up.
Yeah. Oh,
Ouch.
yeah, which, by the way, we would like more of that.
Well, you know, life gets in the way. Recently, I'd fallen into a couple of really good books, and that was taking up a considerably large amount of my time, and, you know, watching Critical Role, and now that summer is done and fall things have started up, as I miss every single bit of Magic I cast this way, schedule changes,
Football.
trying to fit right. Yeah, well, that's another thing too. Like, and then hockey's gonna start in another regular season. NHL is gonna start in another week or two, and it's like, how am I gonna? I don't have enough time. Like, I work a full-time job. That needs to stop because I just don't have the time to do all the things I want to do in life.
Well, you kind of can't stop the full-time job thing because, you know, how
Yeah.
you gonna pay for stuff?
I wouldn't, but you know, it's one of those things. So I know personally, as far as my absence, which was necessitated in part due to your own absence.
Yes.
Again, folks, apologize for the long wait in between there, but that's a part of it too. So,
Oh, yeah,
you know,
for sure.
it's one of those things that when like they were like, "Oh, hey, someone flipped the switch on Autumn and it's gonna happen this weekend," I was like, "Oh man, my life
He
is
set in.
wrecked during the summer. What am I gonna do?" Like, so now I'm just spending time trying to figure out how I'm gonna manage and kind of balance all of the different things that I'd like to get done every day, and you know,
Oh yeah.
life. But anyway, back to corn jokes, because that got kind of real life there from it.
Dude, sometimes, you know what, that's the thing, it's gotta get real life because, you know, you gotta, that's why, you know, somebody invented the Vigi game, is because literally they were like, you know what, I need to unplug from real life and plug into a video game. That's why we're here. That's why we're here.
I thought we were here to make popcorn.
Well, it looks that way, we're just out of butter.
I know, right?
Oh, I got
Don't die on me.
Oh, that was awesome.
Clutch! Clutch!
Get up, get up, get up, get up!
He missed. He took a shot and he missed. I can't believe it. That was ridiculous. How come he makes it a point to hit me, right? But he's just like, no, I'm not gonna hit the blue dude.
Because he's threatened, dude. He wants to be the only yellow guy out here.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I mean, he's like, you know, it happens. Blue people.
Felix intensify.
Ooh, mark him! Oh, come on.
I am not strong enough.
Oh, God.
I tried to zap him with my zappy guns and it didn't work.
Oh, that should have killed him.
Alright, I'm gonna try some clutch.
You gotta kill him with the shovel.
I'm try, but it deals a certified 1 damage. Oh, I'm dead.
Get up, get up, get up!
Just because if I can pull this off, it'll be the greatest thing.
Oh, that would be epic. I'm only doing like...
Ow. Alright,
little
whatever.
damage.
Enough of... You try to say some like cool one-liner, and he just decides to not be in the direct path of what you're shooting. Makes me sad.
Oh yeah.
I like how the dude runs past all the glorious popcorn.
Found a horn though.
Do you think it comes with bugles?
I hope. God, I haven't had
Me too.
bugles in forever.
Do for real though, but they've got that lovely classic crunch. They're great.
And you didn't. Plus, you can put them on your fingers and do like witch nails.
New arena unlocked.
Oh.
Peasant, I think, actually.
Ah.
Oh, dude, you are so close. Oh, I'm such a jerk. If you would have got the killing blow, I bet you would have leveled up.
It happens.
This is me stealing the show.
It happens, man.
I should really put some points in.
It be like that sometimes.
Accurate.
Oh, it's the
File.
pig.
What is?
Piggy makes food to give you more health. Really?
Yep.
Well, I would like to buy Piggy, but I need health potions.
It's kind of unfortunate that I can't just, like... Oh, the barbarian guy. Oh, nope, don't want that. Do I want that? No. I can't just, like, moderately cheat the system and go get the animal orbs that I might have that you don't.
Oh.
And we find one and we could rotate through them. But...
Do a little
Alas.
scrotation action.
Indeed.
You know, sometimes in life you have to scrotate it 169 degrees on the Pangle axis. Possibly the funniest thing you have ever said. Just saying.
It's up there. I'm not gonna lie. It is up there. Was that at the con? I don't remember when I said that.
That was, in fact, at the con.
Oh, somebody should have grabbed the Seahorse, bro.
Oh, no.
Just because he allows you to move fast underwater.
That was the one I was using for a long time.
That's fair. Yeah, that was, I think that was either Friday. I think it was Friday night.
Friday night,
I
baby.
think we were still laughing about it on Saturday night.
Dude, I'm still laughing about it now.
I mean, that's fair. That was a moment of terrible brilliance on my part.
Oh, no, just brilliance. There's no terrible about it, just brilliance, my friend.
I like how when these guys die, they have like the lemon.
Yeah, they just turn
It's
into like a freaking fish dinner.
Yeah. Stick a fork in him. He's done.
He done.
Gotta slog.
This month at Red Lobster. Oh, you can eat fish.
I was gonna say, you know that the enemy's all dead, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure. It's dumb that you have a paddle sword and you can't even use it to help get your way through the water.
I know. Too bad we don't have a canoe.
Indeed.
That's what we need to do. We need to turn our shields into canoes, and then we can paddle.
I'm not gonna do that on a live grenade.
Oh, come on, it'll be fun.
I don't know that it's actually a live grenade. Interestingly enough.
Yeah.
I kind of is.
See, I don't know
Do I have
either.
to... Oh, I do have that. Okay.
Oh, Lord. Who was just hitting 60s?
That was not me, I don't think. That was probably them. Because my magic was just hitting a 49 and my melee attack is hitting like 8.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Yeah, that's them. Get out of here, fish stick.
What?
Do you like fish sticks? What are you, a gay fish?
Oh man, dude.
One of the
I used
best
to know all the
songs.
words for that song for the record.
They had a whole side mission in the new South Park game all about the fish stick episode.
Speaking of the new South Park game, both are on sale on Steam right now.
Don't tease me with a good time.
I'm not. It's a real thing. Like,
Oh, I know.
wallet depletion intensifies.
Okay. I got a chicken.
What? Oh.
It's the behemoth. Oh, yeah.
I think it just gives you like a flat +1 or something to like your stat.
I think that's what it was.
What are
I
you?
don't-
What are you fighting? What are you attacking?
Whatever I want.
I'm just making sure you're not seeing stuff that I don't see.
Oh, is it like different on your screen?
I see nothing.
Oh, Lord. Okay. Well.
I see this fish dude now. Like
Dude, there's
he's
not even a fish dude where you're at, like where you were. Like you were attacking nothing there for a second.
that's all I've seen you doing.
It's attacking nothing?
Yeah.
Oh
Like
boy.
I see 3 fish dudes kind of directly around me right now,
Yeah.
and that's it.
What?
That entire time, like walking up to the river. Yeah, that's why I was like, there's no one there, right? When we were at the beginning of the level, there hadn't been
Oh.
anything there for like 20 seconds, and you're just swinging away, and I'm just like, all right, man. I mean, if that's how you want to live your life, but then I was like, maybe there's something wrong because he's doing it again.
Yeah.
He stabbed me for 51 damage.
Are you still attacking stuff? Because there's nothing
Huh?
on my screen. Now
I
you're
just
doing
killed
it.
that guy. Now there's another one. Oh man.
What?
Oh man. Shouldn't have jumped into the warp. This was
Dude,
a bad idea.
I can't even like attack anything. There's literally nothing on my screen. I cannot help you.
Wow. Weird. That's
Yeah.
very interesting. And that. Huh.
Insert X-Files theme here.
Toast flies. That is. That's nuts. Okay. That
Yep.
does explain that behavior. Okay.
There's an app. What? Oh, I accidentally ate it.
I saw you get the 4 health points.
More fish. Do you see these fish?
No, there's nothing on my screen right now. Am I hitting anything?
Yeah, you were attacking a fish. What in the world, dude? Like the game, like it's like desynced.
This is nuts. Yeah, that must be what it is. Cause like I'm trying to attack stuff, but I don't see. I'm just attacking with you right now. Like I'm
You just
kinda-
leveled up.
Oh no, no, I did not.
Really? You just leveled up on
Yeah.
my screen?
Wow.
Dude, what?
Wow. This is. I sense the taint of chaos and heresy. All right, I'm just gonna follow you, attack with you, and if you see me doing weird stuff, follow with me. How are we gonna fight the boss?
I don't know, but
What in the world?
this is, dude, this is
Cliff,
ridiculous.
we are literally on the edge of the stairs on my screen at the bottom where you can't move past.
Are you serious, dude? Like
Yes.
we're up at the next part, like with the waterfall and stuff.
No, I am still back at the stairs, and you are with me.
What in the world is this crap? Yeah,
Ladies
dude,
and
you're,
gentlemen, I am not into psychedelics. Like, we are not playing this off as something that it isn't. What in the world is going on?
I'm tripping balls.
Yeah, like you're just running into a raw wall right now. Like I just went up the stairs and you're literally running into a wall. You just gained 4 HP and there's nothing around you.
Okay, well maybe when we transition to the next part, like let me kill these enemies, and maybe when we transition to that next scene where the boss shows up, maybe we'll actually like fix itself.
I hope so. So if I'm herpa-derping around and like doing the same thing that you are, am I also dealing damage?
Yeah, you are attacking stuff on my screen right now.
Really?
Yeah, now you're just running. Now you're just running away. But now, like, yeah, you're charging your magic and stuff.
Huh.
Yeah, dude, like you're doing
Okay.
stuff.
I'm just gonna be your shadow, I guess, for right now until this tries to fix itself.
Like I got back up. Die, douche. All right, he did. Nope, he's
It's
not dead.
strange.
Now he did. Grab that coin. Okay, so hopefully it'll fix itself right here. Okay, never mind. You can't go up there. Okay, up here.
Yep.
No.
Up to the right.
Well, there's more monsters that just spawned in. Ooh. Dude, this is really trippy, the fact that you're like playing, not playing.
Yeah, we are still in the area above the staircase on my screen.
What?
Like, we haven't actually gone up it yet. Yeah, I'm just blindly firing at whatever you happen to be swinging at the time.
Oh my gosh, like
Yeah.
this is ridiculous.
This is insane, dude.
Yeah,
And I'm
ne-
doing stuff.
Yeah, you're literally like attacking stuff.
What?
Yeah. Yeah, dude, you're like
I
shooting.
saw you just go through a potion, but I didn't even think your health bar was down.
Yeah, it was, dude. You're firing your zappy gun and everything else, dude. It's nuts.
Wow, this is insane.
Yeah. I'm literally gonna dub this episode Flying Toast.
I mean, that's how I feel about it. Oh wow, this is nuts. Like I was trying to go into like some more conversation or something, and now I'm just like, you should just tell me what to do.
Well, like I said, hopefully when we get to the next screen, maybe it'll like fix itself. I don't know if it will.
It's very strange.
I don't know. Like I don't.
And if it doesn't, I guess this is just really interesting.
Yeah. Oh. Your character's kind of like mimicking me almost, like because I was like, I was
What I'm doing. That's
just-
me. That's me doing that. Because I have no idea where you're at. I have no idea what you're seeing. So I'm just literally following you, doing whatever it is that you do, so that I can somehow be in your game. Because right now, you're standing in front of the staircase. You need to come up to where I'm at, to the right.
Which staircase?
Just okay. Follow my character.
Okay. Okay, you're back in it now, aren't you?
No, I'm still not up that original staircase.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I need to go up here. Okay, yeah, I found it. Dude, this is ridiculous.
I was gonna say, you didn't actually make it up the staircase before you like jump back. This way.
Let's see if your character will come up the stairs. Your character's like stuck on the staircase. Okay.
Is he really?
Yeah, okay, now, okay, we're at Medusa right now.
No, I am not even halfway through this level.
Oh boy.
Wow. You just got stabbed on my screen.
Oh lord.
Are you taking any damage?
No, we're fighting Medusa right now.
No, we are not.
Like on my
What
screen,
is happening?
like we are straight up fighting Medusa right now.
I am literally... I just was able to get you to kite into the next encounter.
What?
Yeah. This is nuts, dude.
Dude, it's times like this that I really wish that we were playing, like you were recording as well, so we could actually see
I have thought
the
about
other side.
enforcing shadow play was the thing. Like, I've thought about turning on shadow play because I have it in video card too. And I didn't, and now I'm just wondering...
Dude, you totally could. You could fire, all you gotta do is hit Alt-Z, and it'll pop right up, and then just hit record.
Yeah, this is interesting because it won't let me run on without you.
Wow, dude, hit that up, because, like, I want to see that video, and, like, if I can find a way to edit it in, I want to show everybody else that as well. Oh, dude, you're stuck in a freaking heart of stone. And I can't save you.
I don't know what we're doing anymore. My only hope is that you managed to beat this boss effectively on your own, and that I can somehow continue to be relevant.
I'm trying my best, sis. Like, your character's still doing stuff. That's the weird part, dude. And
Again, I am literally just following what you're doing on my screen and trying to mirror you as best as I can.
Yeah, and dude, Medusa is actually like... Oh, I got stuck in a heart. Got stuck in a heart. Get out. Like, Medusa's literally, like, focused on you and stuff at points, dude. It's nuts.
Wow, that's crazy, dude.
Yeah, like, she's actually, like, aggroed towards you and stuff in times, and then, like, she'll, like, re-aggro on me. But
that's weird.
it is. Oh, God, quit trying to attack her with a shovel. Well, you died. Okay.
What?
I brought you back.
That is crazy, dude. Well, thanks, I guess. I had no idea that it happened, but...
Oh my gosh, dude.
This is insane.
Oh, yes, I'm gonna, like, run out of health.
Yeah, do not die, because I don't think I can revive you if you do.
Yeah, well, I might die, because I don't have that much health left.
You still have 3/4 of health bar on my screen.
I have 1/4, actually.
That's interesting.
Ouch. That hurt. Ooh, I got you back up. Oh my gosh.
I died?
Yeah, you got stuck in the heart, and then she just like murked you while you were in the heart.
Okay. Hold on
Ow.
a second.
Ouch, 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 ouch. Well, I'm stuck in a corner.
I want you to start giving me direction and telling me what I need to do.
Okay, I'm gonna try to see if I can. Okay, yeah, just keep, dude, like, fire your zappy gun, like, down screen.
To my left or my right?
You're right. Okay, now fire to your left. Fire to your left. Yeah,
Like
see
that?
if you can turn the other way. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, because you were hitting her a couple times. Ooh. Actually, if you just keep moving around, then she will aggro on you, and then I can just, like, try to get out of the way.
Okay.
So just, like, keep moving around if you can. Oh, your character's down. Ooh. Yes, okay, I got you. Because I got, like, no health left. Oh,
This
God.
is so weird.
Oh. Ugh.
Not only that, but you said attack to the left?
Yeah, you were, like, yeah, because she was, like, down screen her for a little bit, but now she's, like, regular spot now.
Am I firing in the correct direction now?
Fire, let's see, I'm trying to think. Yeah, you can fire, like, to the, let's see, fire the other way. Turn the other way.
That way?
Yeah, okay, yeah, she's this
That
way
is
now.
literally the way to the entrance of the level on my screen right now.
Yes, yeah.
That is insane.
Ow, ow, ow. I'm probably not gonna make it. Oh, I got like a schmeckle of health left, dude. I am not gonna make this. Oh, I got frozen. Oh, I'm gonna die. Yep. Oh, no. Still alive, still alive, still alive. I don't know how I am still alive, but I am.
I don't even know what's happening.
Now I died.
Okay, your guy stopped moving on my screen.
Yeah, so, and your character's about to die. So, yep, we just lost.
Oh, it's starting to lag real hard.
Dude,
Have we gone to the main menu yet?
Yeah, well, I leveled up, apparently.
Because I am still in the level.
Dude, what in the heck?
It's lagging extremely hard now, though.
Whoa, okay, like your character's like still moving. Like we're back in the sewer level? Hang on, I'm just gonna exit to map. Okay.
Okay, that pulled me out of it. That's insane, dude. What even was just going on?
I don't know. Are you at the like level up screen right now?
Yeah,
Okay.
you're on strength right now.
Oh, it's showing you. Showing you need to pick it.
No.
What the heck?
I have no idea. I'm in the map screen, it just saved.
Okay,
It
yeah.
just went down to the flooded temple.
Okay, so are you actually able to move now? Are you like in here with me?
We're on the map screen.
Oh, well, I am not. I'm actually in the
Okay.
level with you.
With the Saracens and the camels?
No, like we're in like the flooded temple.
No. We are on the mothership level on my screen.
What in the world?
Yep. The level after we crashed the mothership. Like, dude, I'm literally riding a camel. Okay, I just got DC'd.
Okay, I just exited out of the game.
Okay.
All right, so okay, so we just had some technical issues. That was fun. So, next time we're actually going to try to beat the flooded temple.
I
don't
guess.
really
Yeah.
know what's up with that. But yeah, so the sachet back into gaming has not quite gone as planned, but
No.
that's besides the point. So yeah, well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Travis, thanks for joining me on that.
Yeah.
We'll just call it that.
It was great until our games got desynced and everything went to heck and back.
Yeah, that was ridiculous, but it sort of is what it is sometimes. But
It's all right. It was still
so
funny, if
yeah,
anything. I can't
yeah,
wait to watch it and see what I was doing the entire like half of that cast. Like, had
uh,
no idea what was going on.
yeah. That's nuts, dude. That went down that way. But yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, Travis. Like I said, thanks for joining me on this one.
You're most welcome.
And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys in the next one. And
Mm.
I'm out. And
Bye.
Travis, see ya.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.